Hi, I'm Chris Klug with Aspen Snowmass Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to 372 North Starwood Drive in Starwood above Aspen, Colorado. This is one of my favorite neighborhoods and one of the coolest houses in the neighborhood. Let's go take a look. When you enter the house, you see this really cool custom door. It was carved by Spider Savage's friends as a housewarming gift. And the sellers told me it says, "Come on in, you're welcome, this is home." I love that. Beautiful oak flooring throughout. You see this vertical log construction in the house. Pretty unique. I haven't seen that in too many houses. And you know, it's certainly of a 70s era, but very cool. The sellers have owned this for 40 years and absolutely love living here. Love living in this really private, natural setting in Starwood, yet minutes to town. And very few places have south-facing Elk Mountain panoramas quite like this. Let me show them to you. Here we are on the south side of the property. We have the Elk Mountain backdrop just behind us. Daly, Capitol, Snowmass ski area. All the way down valley you can see Basalt Mountain and the lower Roaring Fork Valley in the distance. And all the way over to Highlands. Of course you catch Seavers, Buttermilk, Tyack, West Buttermilk, and Aspen, which you can really see better from the master suite on the main level. Below us is a sodded yard right down here. We're on septic. We're on Starwood community water. Let's go back inside. This is the dining room area here, and then just behind me you can see this is the great room, a beautiful river rock fireplace. I'm sure Spider and his brother just pulled those right out of the Roaring Fork. Can't do that today. You see these reclaimed trusses and beams that I mentioned earlier, and the headers all came from the railway in Lanedo. Wood burning fireplace right here warms the whole place and certainly a part of the charm and the ambiance. We're walking down the hallway. You've got a powder room on the left, laundry room right there. And this is the main level master suite. Bathroom was all redone by Jack Wilkie around 2000. And then the master suite, main level, no stairs. You've got a little wood burning fireplace right there behind me. Also that river rock wall continues through the whole house. Master walks right out to a southeast facing deck. You've got a spectacular peonies garden in the summertime that's terraced up the hillside. We're on about 3 acres, so really private setting, and the sodded yard wraps around. You can access the back patio, which is a really great hangout place in the summertime when it's nice and warm and the south-facing sun is beating down on this side. You can seek refuge just to the back. So in 1984, they hired Charles Cuniff to do a remodel and an addition. The house used to end right over here. The staircase was over there, and now there's a staircase here. The house ended right here where this wall area is. All of this was redone and redeveloped and added on in 1984, designed by Charles Cuniff. All radiant heat in this section. Nice bathroom, nice kitchen. You got sub-zero appliances, radiant heat, a little informal breakfast nook right here. A little workstation, fridge and freezer, sub-zeros. Walks out to the back patio. Here's a huge pantry with wine fridge. Originally it was a dumbwaiter designed there, or it could be an elevator that goes right down to the 2-car garage, but the sellers said they'd put it in if they got old, and they said they never got old, so they didn't bother with that. Again, nice views to the west, down valley. Let's go take a look downstairs. Again, there's that very unique vertical log construction. Lower level walks right out to the sodded front yard area that slopes gently down to the front acreage of the property. Nothing can be built right in front of you. And again, you've got that huge Kessler Meadow open space that is a favorite for migrating elk that come from Brush Creek and down into Woody Creek. They love to hang out here in Kessler Meadow. I've seen 100, 150 head from time to time. They're pretty cool to watch. In the wintertime, the Kessler Meadow becomes a cross-country Nordic track that they groom regularly, and you rarely see a lot of usage on. This is a second bedroom that the sellers used as a second office library. Again, nice south-facing light, walks out to the sodded yard. 3/4 bath in here with 3/4 shower, big walk-in closet. That's the second bedroom. I think it'd be pretty easy to reconfigure that because the walk-in closet is so big. It would be pretty easy to reconfigure that and perhaps turn this into a 2-bedroom, 2-bath without adding a lot more square footage. You are permitted 5750 without a TDR, so it'd be easy to increase this by about 2,000 square feet and go through the county process without getting a TDR, which is about $200,000, $225,000 today. 2-car garage just below us. It goes right out to the drive. You've got a nice pull-out area there. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks a lot for tuning in. And if you're really interested in Aspen Snowmass real estate, wonderful. I hope this was a helpful and insightful tour. If you're not, that's okay. I hope it was a nice break from everything that's happening in the world right now. And I'm gonna try to do this every week, a virtual open house. It's just me here, no other cameraman, so if it was a little Blair Witch-like, I apologize, but we'll fine tune it for the weeks ahead. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Have a great week and stay healthy and safe.